I can't see these people.
You better film.
I need to be able to load it.
Alright, this shit.
Did you not load your mags already?
Nolan, that's what we were doing for an hour.
No, it's like the connector to it. Oh, and also the back is taped together. So
Okay.
it's really autistic right now.
Oh shit. Hit! Yeah. Let me get behind cover before you res me. I don't want to get down. Matthew's got like a beat on.
Right.
Okay, we're good.
He's behind that cover. Can you start using that bar?
Huh?
Can you start using that bar?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you shooting at?
Yeah.
Wait, where'd he go? Is he still behind that cover?
He's right behind that cover, yeah. See him? He's moving.
Oh, I got a shot on him.
Oh shit. Watch out, watch out. Cooper's coming, Cooper's coming.
Oh,
He's behind that tree. Oh, Nolan's goes far. You have to walk on him. You have to stab to send him all the way. Yeah, Matthews, or, yeah, Nolan's behind the far one. Watch out, I'm in front of you, I'm in front of you. He's behind that one. Wait, did Matthew move? Oh, I see him, I see him. I think he just res Cooper. Cooper's behind it now. Yeah. I can see Cooper's like neck. Oh, Cooper's moving, or Nolan's moving. He's landing near me. Huh? Matthew's firing. Matthew's firing, watch out.
Nolan hit. Oh, Cooper's behind the tree. Cooper's behind the tree.
Which one? Close one?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right next to Nolan. Right in front of Nolan.
Oh yeah.
Cooper's behind the tree next to Nolan.
He's dead. I got him.
You.
I think he rezzed him and he ran back.
No, not yet.
No, he rose his hand up. I saw it. He's dead. Make sure Nolan can't res. Nolan's trying to res. Shit, my battery. I got that.
Okay, Cooper's going all the way back to shed.
Where's Nolan?
Oh, I just put my on full auto. That makes more sense. Nate, move, Nate!
Nate's kind of dead.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, they just walked on him.
My battery's mad tweaking.
Shit.
George Loki.
What? Never speak again.
Like this as your eye protection. It's gonna deflect or like reload right now.
Okay. Can you film mine?
Huh?
Cause I don't have a speed loader. Can you film mine?
I don't
I'm
have a
chilling.
speed
I'm
loader.
chilling right now.
Huh?
I don't have a speed loader.
Shit.
I
Can
have
you
this.
just film mine though?
Watch this. You can just use another.
No,
You have
Calo.
yeah.
Calo's different.
Oh, I had that one at one point. You can take the pro sometimes, right?
One of me now.
I don't have it on my right hand though. I don't have any on my
That's
right
good
hand,
arm,
which
bro.
is kind of
Sorry.
weird though, because this is my
Beater
beater
hand.
arm.
Beater hand. What? You just said that on camera, bro. I'm clipping that out.
Not clip
For
him.
when I like
Clip him.
That's my beater
when I do like punches and stuff, when I beat people up, this is my.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, look, he might
Yo,
just take
any
off the
day
buckle,
now,
bro.
bro.
Yo, any week now.
Any year now.
Any decade now.
Any business day.
Any fortnight
Any
now.
century now.
Okay, not Thursday.
Any decacentury.
It's my goon day.
What?
Migunde, you know Spanish for the day at work.
Yeah.
Migunde.
That's El Trabajador Dia. El Dia de Trabajador.
I thought it was. Oh wait, no, that's German. Arbiter.
Trabajador.
Me Arbite, bro.
Me Arbeit. Me. Yeah. No, they blew the whistle.
Okay.
Nolan's finally excused, I think. Never mind, did Nolan move? Watch out, Colin! Nolan was behind one of those. Nolan's still here. Oh. Where's Nolan? Ah! That ain't my gun! It's back there. That did not hit me. Okay, that hit me. Please. No one's coming. This hurts so much. Please. Please. Dog, don't leave me. Watch out, watch out. Colin, you're in range. You're in range. Right there. Hit my gun.
So fudge it up.
I just started filming. It's in the first like 5 seconds.
Why do you keep on going that way, bro? And then just like
pull it uphill, Colin, all the way. Shh, Nolan, Nathan, shh. Oh, they're going.
Kablow, kaboom. Rest in peace, my granny, she got hit.
I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Get behind this tree. Get behind this tree. Hit.